Hello, everybody. Once again, come on in. This is Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreaths for holidays, and we got spectacular, beautiful one going on today. This is for Thanksgiving. Giving much thanks. Okay, so with that said, let's get this beauty started. There's so much going on. I made a ribbon. Hey, look at wow. Okay, we are using that, and we are using a variety of different flowers and colors and textures. Your hydrangea, I know that one. Some greeneries. Oh wow, we're just a rose, and we got some of these. Okay, and we got some ribbon. I got up some other piece. I'm thinking about putting a little bit of these in the corners. Well, let's see what's going on. First things first, I want to thank you for coming to check out my channel. Yes, indeed. Okay, here we go. Let's put this on first. Here we go. Let's get this up here because we got to get the orange color for the holiday of Thanksgiving. Have some orange. How's everybody doing? Hope all is good and happy. Okay, I'll just put this little bit right here. Right here. Okay, let's get this bold part going on. Hey, look at. Let's get that and put that in there. Let's just work our way down. Be creative. There we go. Remember to step back and visualize. Check what you're working with, okay? Look at this, how gorgeous this is going to be. Oh, yeah. The white there, and let me see. Some more right here. Okay, let's get this one. I was going to put it in here mixed with this. A little bit with the draining. I remember when I was young, we had two big old hydrangea bushes in our front yard between our stairs at our place when I was young, and I never really looked at them how beautiful they were. They are beautiful, beautiful plants, flowers. Oh, I wish I had some with me. I had some at my house. They were just big and a round old bush. They were like light blue and little pink, and mixture color. But I really never. But they are a beautiful plant. Okay, let's get some white in here. You can mix your colors in with the other flowers. Just be creative now, huh? Let's work our way down and get all this greenery in here. Here. Yeah. Get more of these up in here. Just said recycle your items from Christmas and go all out, There we go. Okay, now let's get some berries over here. I'm just working clockwise. There we go. Oh my, look at this. We just on a roll, just getting this all in there, huh? Kind of put it to the side so I remember where I put it. Hey, look at that. Whoops. Wait. Let me see. Slow down now, Mama. Oh. Should have put that one there, huh? Let's get back up here. There we go. Oh shoot, I forgot. I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the the ribbon there. I forgot. Mama sits on a roll. Okay, we got that there, that there. Let's get some greenery right here. Oh my, we got one of these going right here. Let's see. Right there. There we go. Get that in there. But don't fall down. And see about the greeneries right here. Well, how beautiful is that? How's that looking, everybody? I don't know about my comment box. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, now let's get this. I think I'm going to take this out. Let's get this beauty. Let's get this going. Fluff it up, fluffy, fluffy. And let's get this beauty up in there. Yeah. Twist it. Yeah, look at that, everybody. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Flip them out. Flip them out. There we go. Yeah, okay. Wow. See, where can we use some of this? Maybe right here, huh? There we go. How's that looking, everybody? Woo! I was thinking about putting some of these on there, you know? Give some a little bit like that. Let me just put them in here. And you know what? I'm going to pin this beauty up so we can see what really visualize. Okay, everybody? Ooh, look at that. Ay, ay, ay. I just had a feeling so much more. What's the show must go? Okay. Here, let me adjust my camera for everybody. We will get this. Okay. I dropped a couple things, but I always say the show must go on, huh? There we go. Get that going. That in there. Let's get these beautiful leaves going. There. There's some greenery. Let me step back and visualize, everybody. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, huh? Okay. Fix this, adjust this, and adjust that. And let's just put some of these in here. Take them out. I think I'm looking right at a place to put them. Excuse me, my other video. I didn't put these on. I was just thinking, let me sit up here and get a little comfortable. How's that, everybody? Excuse me. Let me get over here. Oh, wow. One more. See where we get this one. How's that looking, everybody? I think we got it. I think we got it. Okay, once again, we got another one going. And hope you enjoyed my video and my wreath. And happy holidays. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Be safe out there. Be joyful and give thanks. Much thanks and appreciation to what I have. Have a blessed holiday, everybody. And thank you from Caldera Creative Creations. If you liked my video and enjoyed it or just got some ideas, subscribe, okay? And have a wonderful one. Look at how beautiful. Oh, yeah. Thank you, guys.